Hey guys, Drew Mead from MarineMax on Lake Lanier. I'm standing on a freshly traded in 19 SPX Sea Ray with an outboard. The boat's equipped with a Mercury 150 horse outboard. It's got 322 hours on it. Perfect boat for ripping around Lake Lanier. Great because you don't have to worry about winterization. Easy on maintenance. This boat is just perfect and ready to go for you and your family. If you notice, the boat is equipped with a ski tow pylon, so it's ready to pull a tube, water skiers, wakeboarders. You've got a nice, easy to board telescoping ladder back here on the transom. Sea Ray also equipped the boat with a 12-volt power point back here on the back, so if you need to inflate that tube or water toys or anything like that, you've got a 12-volt socket right here on the transom. Very large sun pad here, which is nice for chilling in a cove. My favorite thing to do is go out, find a nice spot, put the anchor down, and hang out right back here on the back of the boat. So underneath this spot where there would normally be a stern drive Mercruiser engine, there's tons of storage space. This compartment's got plenty of room for coolers, beach gear, chairs, tables, anything you need for a day on the lake. If we move forward into the cockpit, we'll check out the rest of the boat. So you'll notice this boat is put together with the dune interior. So you have the lovely brown twin captain's chairs. Both of these chairs do have a flip-up bolster, which makes it super easy to see over the helm when you're driving. If you need that little bit of extra visibility when you're driving, that flip-up bolster is nice. The boat also has a Fusion audio sound system. You have your 3 analog Sea Ray gauges there at the dash. So you've got your tachometer, your speedometer, fuel gauge, and trim gauge. The boat is also equipped with a depth sounder. So you'll have your depth readout right there on the dash. Plenty of information right at the driver's helm. You also have a 12-volt power point down there by the cup holder. And moving forward, there's a spacious bow with your 2 Fusion Audio 6.5-inch speakers. This boat is a super fun little rocket ship ready for you guys to take out on the water. The boat does not come with a trailer. If you want to come check out the boat in person, come see us at Bald Ridge Marina on Lake Lanier.